Many platforms offer their customer a variety of attractive offers. It can be in form of gifts or in the form of loyalty points. With this interest and trust of user in service, they will use increase and their of course will be benefit from a business perspective. But the problem is often a struggle for business to handle their loyalty program. This is due to their limited access to the resources that support them and support of reliable technology. This causes customers to often complain that it is difficult to redeem their reward points, which are very annoying for users. Assemble protocol. Assemble protocol your point on the blockchain. Assemble protocol utilizes its own utility token SM to provide a blockchain-based point integration platform to point providers and customers and connect consumers with sufficient purchasing power of affiliate stores. It is a various cycles business ecosystem that benefits all the affiliates. Assemble protocol paid attention to the problem that consumer cannot consume the point due to the lack of usage. Even though the global point market is growing rapidly every year, Assemble provides customer with a service that allows them to use point as cash anywhere in the world without any time space constraints, and provides companies with additional business expansions opportunities and a diverse user pool. See style.com, ClubPass, and YM Mobile are the partners of Assemble, and Assemble will create Assemble ecosystem that coexists with the partners and establish itself as a blockchain project that is widely used over the world. The Assemble protocol team, which include Jesse Lee in the CEO position, consider experience named from each other. The team has previously worked in a different field in South Korea and has recently come together to build the bridge between the rise in the cryptocurrency industry, and the point system. A token distribution is a token triggered is ASM and ERC20 based token, total supply and 20% token sell, strategic partners 18%, market ecosystem development reserve team founder advisor early supporters. And the team, you may see a too much strong team, they already work in cryptocurrency a lot of projects. Okay, so strong team, advisor Sogun, Alex Man, CEO Cam, Andrew, Robin Lu, and others. And the partners Coin One, Oricel, sta1.com is too much strong. Okay, you have a lot of followers. Venture, AKG Ventures, Coinstar Capital, HyperDAO, Blockchain Ventures. Okay, now roadmap, uh, 2019 quarter 3 team building. Okay, quarter 2 to 20 white paper release, quarter 3 assemble wallet. Okay, in quarter 4 assemble point exchange, they are already listed on coin one. Okay, they are listed. Okay, you may watch there, you can buy their coin. Look at Chinese. I don't understand that in quarter one. You may watch their white paper in Korean language. You may translate it. Okay, if you want to if you have any problem, if you want to ask any question, you can contact with them. This project is going to be from Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong. Okay, this is social media. A project looking good for the future profit. Okay, the team is so strong. They already work in lot of here you can see the white paper in English. Okay, yeah, you can buy this one. The team is already use create a lot of cryptocurrency coins. Because of that, the team is so good. Now, like, share and subscribe my channel. Share with your friend. Thank you very much. Bye bye.